Pinabulaanan ni Attorney Lorna Capunan ang napapabalitang sobra-sobra umanong yaman ng kliyente niyang si Janet Lim Napoles. Pero nang matanong ang abogada kung malinis at hindi korap ang kanyang kliyente, pagyang natigilan si Capunan. Nakatutok si Lea Alves.
Why is no one believing Mrs. Napoles?
To put her here in already a cell, parang sobra na yun.
Kumusta na po siya?
Iba ang VIP treatment. Hindi naman to VIP treatment. This is special treatment because it's a special case.
Sa kasong bumulabog sa buong sambayanan, hindi nakapagtatakang kinuha ni Janet Lim Napoles ang isang dekalibreng abogadong tulad ni Attorney Lorna Capunan. Sa panayam sa programang State of the Nation with Jessica Soho, sinagot ni Attorney Capunan ang ilang maiinit na issue tungkol sa kanyang kliyente. Isa na rito ang espesyal umunong pagtrato ng gobyerno kay Napoles.
Kasi iniskortan pa daw siya ni Pangulong Aquino to Krame, nag-surrender siya sa kanya. And then she was transferred to another jail or detention facility upon your motions,
Can you imagine the
suspicions.
public uproar if she gets killed under the watch of the president? Can you imagine what will happen?
And are the threats to her life real? Totoo ba yung mga death threats po?
The threats are very real. You know, some of them are in uniform. Some of them are not.
Okay.
And I've seen them myself. The cars are being followed. Even my car is being followed.
Mariin namang pinabulaanan ni Capunan ang umunay napapabalitang yaman ni Napoles.
That she has 30 houses and 28 cars.
May hotel na pa raw siya sa
That she has a
California.
hotel, that she has 3 yachts, that she has an airplane. That's all false. That is all false. She does not have 30 houses. She has 3. She doesn't have 28 cars. She has less than 5.
Sa lahat ng ito, tanong marahil ng marami, gaano kahirap ipagtanggol ang kontrobersyal na kliyenteng tulad ni Napoles.
When you take your oath as a lawyer, you become an officer of the court. Mahirap intindihin yun, but you're committed not to a person, but you're committed to ensuring that justice is done.
Naniniwala rin daw si Capunan na ibubulgar ng kanyang kliyente ang mga dapat ibunyag.
She has promised that she would tell the truth. And we are relying on that promise.
So do you think Mrs. Napoles is a clean and not corrupt person?
I think I need a lawyer.
Lea Alves, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.